Alright, here we go. Camp Crystal Lake, the original, 1979. Here come that boy Jason 4. Good luck, everybody. Except for Jason 4. Saw how dramatic? That's my dramatic read on that. Did you guys like my dramatic read? That's the kind of verbiage they use out here in LA. Oh, can you do it once comedic and give me one dramatic read, please? I can say it two different ways if that's what you want, you fucking weirdo. I'm just kidding. Most of the casting directors out here are really cool, except they don't cast me enough, which means I get about like 4 or 5 gigs a year, which is fairly standard out here, guys. Listen, it's really hard being an actor in LA. Hence the reason why I'm doing YouTube. Anyway, but it's fun. It's fun. It's a fun experience. If you've ever wanted to try it, I would suggest it, man. You learn a lot. You do a lot of fun stuff. I've worked with some really big people, you know, and on some pretty cool projects. So that's all part of it. We're Adam this game. Woo! We're at the Tommy house, babies. And we are about to call that boy Tommy again. Man, I just keep running in the Tommy house, right? Oh my God, I just want to call Tommy. Would you just call him? Jeebus.
Hello.
That's what happens when you're crossfaded, guys.
Help.
Sometimes it's hard.
Please,
That's what she said.
Jason's real. Please help us.
Tiger Woods hit a pedestrian? What? Hey, so did I the other day. That's not my proudest moment. We settled it all through insurance. It was in a little parking lot. She's fine now. I mean, I don't know if she's fine, but she got her money, so. Whatever. What I'm saying is I'm not legally obligated anymore. It was my fault. It is what it is. It wasn't on purpose, obviously. I would never run somebody over on purpose. Swim to the twilight zone. This is a madhouse. Feel like being alone. Ooh, nothing has been done? Man, that's crazy. To the twilight zone. This is a madhouse. Feels like being alone. What up, dudes? Oh, this is my first knife of the whole day, guys. I haven't had a knife the whole day. Oh my God. Everybody loves a knife. Sometimes stab it, Jason, save your life. Listen, baby. That's my knife song, everybody. When the bullet hits the bone. Alright, the gas is in the 4th seat. Nice. It hits the bone. When the bullet hits the bone. Damn, I thought that was a boat motor, y'all. And I bet a boat's not even on this map. I'm fucking dumb as shit, guys. Wow, nobody's been in this house yet? There's usually a part in this house, guys. And, oh, no part. Leave those there in case anybody wants a future reference. Ding 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 ding. Hey, what up, dudes? Okay, I don't know what those guys are doing. I'm checking here and see if there's a part. Clearly there was a part. Oh, y'all are going to the... I'm not going to say what they're doing. Never mind. Yeah. Fix the phone. Fix the phone, guy. Fix the phone. I see what y'all are doing. Hell yeah, dude. Go for it, man. You can do it. I'm gonna lock this just for the... Oh, no. Dun, 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 dun. Sometimes I feel I've got to run away. I've got to get away from the pain. Something, something. Hey, what up, guys and gals? Welcome to Casa de Adam. What happened? Oh, okay, cool. The car's not even... Oh, shit! Bro, I'm gonna follow you then. You are the one I can give. Ideas and that's not good enough. Ain't love. Tainted love. Hey, if it's trapped, I got a knife. Alright, we're good, we're good. Throwing these, throwing these. Hey!
Okay, all set. Time to get out of here.
Get in, get in! Alrighty. We got one more, we got one more. Nah, she's out there. Hey, come on, come on! Hey, get in the back seat, back seat! Back seat, Bugsy! Come on, Crocs! Yeah, you're going the right way, you're going the right way. Right back there, dude. Hell yeah, bro. And you took out the trap for those ingrates. I hope it's all the high-level people leaving. All those noobs behind. No offense, noobs. Hell yeah, bros. I did absolutely nothing. I didn't find anything. Alright, cool. GG's. Nice. That was easy peasy. Tainted love. Tainted love. Oh. Oh, and then two people just got out on the boat also? I think that's where Jason was. I think they were just running him in the boat. Oh, he was Jason 4. I bet they were just running him in the boat. Oh my god, this guy's having a rough Jason run, guys. And he's a follower. Hey, Sora, I'm sorry, man. It happens, bro. Sometimes you have a tough Jason run, dude. Boom, ba bum, ba bum, bum. All right, well, two people left. The boat is gone. The car is gone. I mean, the odds are in Jason's. Oh, come on, man. Don't quit. Why would you quit? Come on, dude. Well, he couldn't die. There was only one guy and Tommy left, so he couldn't die. Listen, like I said, y'all, anybody who's watched my YouTube saw my worst Jason game that I posted, and that was only about 6 months ago that game happened, and I've been playing this game for years, so